Hello, and welcome to this month's edition of the InDesign newsletter, where I teach you tips and tricks and general things about InDesign. Who am I? I am Andrea Vaslatzen. I'm an Adobe community expert. I'm also a web and graphic design instructor for a college. So now that you know who I am, let's get started. All right, so I know you heard all the buzz, all the AI buzz is buzzing around. Firefly? Well, guess what? It's right inside of InDesign. How awesome is that? Okay, so one of the features, the text to image feature, is right here. But first, I want you to know that you have to have the latest version of InDesign. So, in order for you to see it, so make sure you have the latest version. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go up to Window and you're going to go down to text to image beta. It is right after styles and right before text wrap. So if you get that far and you don't see it, go update your InDesign inside of Creative Cloud app. All right. So text to image. I'm going to click it. Guess what's going to happen? Oh, you see this dialog box pops up. Okay. And so what we're going to do is we're going to have it create an image based on prompts we give it. So it just means information that we tell it. The more information you give it, the better. I have a quick prompt. I'm going to give it real quick. I'm going to say a colorful, bubbly ice cream shop. Now, typically nothing will be down here. So if you're not seeing anything down there, don't worry about it. You will as soon as we hit generate. So we're going to say a colorful, bubbly ice cream shop. Then we're going to say content type. You can choose between photo and art. Aspect ratio, you can either choose your whatever ratio you want, landscape, portrait. I could do portrait or vertical. In my case, I'm just gonna go ahead and keep it portrait. Okay, and then I'm gonna hit generate. And what's gonna happen is gonna generate these 3 images from the prompt that I gave it, which is so cool. Why would you use this, you ask? Well, it's hard to find the right image all the time. It really is. So why not give it a prompt and have it create a great image for you based on your thoughts or what you're thinking or what you want? Oh my goodness. It's just so amazing. Okay. First, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to draw out a rectangle. So I'm just going to put a rectangle and just cover this because it's going to be a cover photo for me. All right. So let's see our prompts. Ooh, that's nice. That's fun. Not necessarily what I'm thinking, but it's fun. And if you don't find the image that you want, you can actually have it generate more images. Now, um, oh, look at this one. Huh, that's different. That's not the one that I want either, but that's kind of cool. All right, so I'm gonna see if maybe one of these other ones. These I generated earlier. I actually have one that I really like to use in here. Look at that. Look at that. So once you find one that you like, you can pick that image and that will be my cover, right? So let's say that's the image that I want from the cover. All I have to do is go through the layers and put the other one up top, and that's cool. But it's just that easy. And to prove it to you, we're going to do it again, and we might do it another time as well. Okay, so I'm going to close this. I'm going to close this as if I didn't have it open. I'm going to close it. Look at that. I want you to see that it's just just a few steps you can have it. So we'll pretend I just opened the document. It's open. Now we're going to go to window. Then we're going to go down to text to image beta. Then our dialog box is going to pop up. You know what? I could say a child holding a 5-scoop ice cream cone of multiple flavors. I can even go into it's dripping down or whatever details that I want. But I think I'm good with this one. So I'm going to say a child holding a 5-scoop ice cream cone of multiple flavors. Okay. Or a child enjoying. Let me see. Let's say enjoying. Just because I want to see what it comes up with. Right. So a child enjoying a 5-scoop ice cream cone of multiple flavors. All right, I'm gonna keep it a photo, and I'll keep the rest of the settings the same. But it's really, really cool that you can just pretty much whatever you imagine, you can make it happen. I love that concept, and I think that is pretty awesome. All right, so we have some images over here. Let me go ahead and uh, draw out a box. You can kind of look at that. That's kind of cool. Oh, that's really cool. Look at that. I think that's my favorite. I don't know though, 'cause I really like this one. But anyway, whichever image appeals to you, you can choose. I love this one because there's a playground behind it. But then I just love this one and the shot that's captured. I think, oh, I don't know which one. And they're both just so adorable. Oh my goodness. I feel like this one, that's what I'm gonna go with. Now, again, look, we have this other area, right? So now I can draw out another box. Listen, I'm trying to show you guys. It is super easy. I'm not joking with you. It's super easy to create your photos. I can put one of these photos in here. Um, or I can generate another one. I can say um, a huge bowl filled with an ice cream uh, ice cream sundae. Okay. And I've been doing um photo this whole time. Let me switch it to art. Let's just see what it gives us. And I'm gonna keep it at that portrait, that 3:4 ratio. Let's see. Let's see what happens. All right. And I'm going to generate. So this time I did art, but it's just so easy to do. It is so awesome. I really love that this feature is inside of InDesign because I know for a fact that it does take me a long time to find the perfect image that I'm looking for. And if I know I can kind of create it from my mind and I can mold this into something that I want, that's awesome. Look at that. I think that is awesome. That is too cool. Oh my goodness. Oh, look. This is like a planet of I'm not quite crazy about this one. I mean, I love the image though for something else, but I think I really like this one. That's kind of crazy. It's like a whole castle and then there's ice cream. But if I really didn't like this, I could go through and I could make changes to it. So I can modify this. Um, I could say a huge ceramic, maybe. So a huge ceramic bowl filled with ice cream sundae, uh, different flavors. So you can tweak it. And I like that. You can tweak it and fine tune. So I'm gonna do it again. But you can tweak it and fine tune. You can even go down to like what the table looks like, what the background looks like. I can have birds flying in the background. I can have birds or butterflies. I could have a blue tablecloth. I could have so you imagine if you're looking for a photo for a wedding to be perfect for this wedding, in like certain colors, where do you want the napkin placement and things like that, you can get that detail and give it those details. Oh, look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, it just got okay, hold on. Let me see. I think I like that one. Wait, or do I like that one? Let me see. Which one? Which one? Which one, guys? See, I wish you could tell me which one you like better. Oh, I think I love that this has fruit and stuff in it. I think I'm gonna go with this one. But anyway, in any event, we created images based on this text to image feature. It is amazing. All right. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please let us know. Give us a like, comment, or subscribe. That actually helps the algorithm. YouTube likes when they know if you like stuff, and they'll show our content. All right. If there's something that you wanted to see that you didn't see or that you want to know, please let us know down in the comments and we will make those videos for you. All right. So until next time, ta ta for now. Ta ta, ta ta, ta ta.